Positive Day, Gilivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And sa first time po tayo panood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-coach sa atin, pwede pa rin po tayo online, live coaching and business consultation. Message ka lang, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Okay, so itong vlog natin is not about business, investment, or anything. It's about running your own YouTube channel. Kasi marami na sa atin na nag-message from my subscribers na mga vloggers na rin. Meron na rin mga YouTube channel, so congratulations sa inyo. And doon sa mga nagsasabi na mahirap kumuha ng first 1,000 subscribers, how to do it, and all that. So, alam nyo, to be honest, based from my experience, it's not hard, alright? So, listen. It's not hard to get 1,000 subscribers. It's harder to maintain the 160,000 subscribers. So, ayan, pag-usapan natin. Get your coffee and mag-coffee tayo and pag-aralan natin bakit nasabi ni Doc na hindi mahirap kumuha ng 1,000 subscribers. Organically, Organically. I mean, I did not get help from other people. Hindi ako nagpa-advertise, hindi ako tawag dito, nagpaturo ng mga techniques. Wala yan. Did that happen to me? Hindi ko kinailangan that time. I just don't know how. Okay, so magkape tayo mga kapatid. Okay, so yun nga. So hindi ako nagmamalaki that time. Wala tayong ganon. Hindi ko lang alam kanino ako lalapit. So, as you know, I'm a principal and full-time principal and Dean of Academic Affairs. So, imagine that. I'm not a technical person. Meron lang ako nag-iisang Facebook and wala. Hindi ko ma-search ang technical world, alright? So, if this is the technical world, layo ni Doc nandito ako. Then, bigla, papasok ako dyan nang walang this is the technical world. Yan, so, nang walang nag-guide sa akin, wala talaga. How did I have my YouTube channel? I asked someone from our MIS office na tulungan ako magkaroon ng YouTube channel. So, sabi ko, pag di ka naman busy, gawin mo naman ako ng channel, Sir Gary. Hi, Sir Gary. So, something like that. So, doon na nagsimula. Okay, so, bakit hindi mahirap kumuha ng 1,000 subscribers? Alright, in just 6 months. 6 months lang po. In 6 months. Right? So, si YouTube, binayaran niya na ako. Okay? So, maraming ang nagulat na, bakit bigla? Ang bilis naman. And YouTube paid me $189 US. Right? For the 6 months. And the highest na kinita natin sa YouTube is, I don't know if I'm violating some principles, pero something like that. So, ganon. And, yun. Pero, paano ko ba nakuha yung first 1,000 subscribers natin? Okay? It's easy, alright? So, saan ako nahihirapan ngayon? Alam mo saan ako nahihirapan ngayon? Maintaining by 100 kasi 1,000 subscribers. Bakit? Mamaya pag-aralan natin. Pero bakit nga ba hindi naging mahirap kay Doc G? Number 1, I did it, okay? So, ito yung mga tips natin sa lahat ng mga YouTube channel na bago or you want just to start your own YouTube channel. So, your YouTube channel, you have to remember this, okay? It's not about you. Alright? Well, of course, that's your channel. So, pwede natin ilagay, like, kung anong gusto mong ginagawa. For example, you are a choreographer right now. So, yung YouTube channel mo, pwedeng choreographer or something like that. So, but if you want to do it fast, okay, yung fast talaga na mabilis to get your 1,000 subscriber, you have to think about this, okay? Pero kung gusto mo naman na long term, you can have your 1,000 subscribers, hindi ka nagmamadali, kaya yan, okay? Kaya mo yan, right? But it takes months or years bago mo ma-attain yan, okay? So, what I did for me is, I thought of this for nung mga few weeks na walang masyadong nagsasubscribes, okay? So, I feel you. Yung pag-uwi mo, kasi pumapasok ako that time every day. So, pag-uwi ko, naitingnan ko may nag-views, 5 lang, 10 lang. So, siguro yung nanay ko, mga kapatid ko, mga pamangkin ko. So, ganun lang. Then, one time, okay, when I was sa sister ko, meron siya sari-sari store. Sabi ko, i-vlog nga kita. So, yun na. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng, binlog natin si sari-sari store niya. Okay? So, Kasi yung sari-sari store, it's not my thing. Okay? So, business is not my thing then. Investment is not also my cup of tea. So, wala sa akin yan. Hindi ko alam yung mga ganyang bagay that time when I was just starting. Okay? Kung ang focus ko nun sa academe. Okay? Pero, tinignan ko, yung YouTube channel pala, it's not about you. Okay? It's not what about you're doing. It's about your subscribers. It's about their needs. It's about finding the niche. Finding the gap, finding the problem na lalagyan mo ng solution. Okay? So, yung YouTube channel ko, naging pang OFW na gusto mabagong buhay. Ang channel ko, naging pang entrepreneur, pang business persons na paano ma-maintain ang business, paano mulad ang business. Or, naging pang aspiring entrepreneur, paano sila magsimula ng negosyo. Or, naging pang mga empleyado na gusto magkaroon ng investment. So, it's something like that. It's not about me. It's about that need. Kumbaga, ang mabilis na naging reason ba't naging matagumpay yung channel ko, with Lord's guidance, okay? So, nakita ko yung merong malaking problem. May gap. Okay? So, merong gap between yung mga subscribers ko and this is me. This is my channel. So, may gap. So, that where I entered in. This is my YouTube channel. Okay? So, needs ng mga tao, mga subscribers ko ngayon, kumbaga, I fill in the gap. Okay? Nag-provide ako ng solution ng content sa kanila. That's the first tip. Okay? Second, so it's not all about you muna. Okay? It's not all about you. Okay? But again, I'm not, we're not removing that concept na your YouTube channel is about you, it's about your family, it's about your travel. Pwede yan. Wala nang problema yan. Ayan nga yung reason ng iba ba't sila nag-YouTube channel, diba? They want to, keep their memories, experiences. It's okay yan. No problem about that. Okay? Next is, yan. So to discover that, I launch, or you can launch 5 topics. Okay? Mag-launch ka ng iba't ibang topics. For example, sabi ko kanina, choreographer ka. So, try mo ibang craft na mag-research ka. Okay? So, like, sa akin, so I'm from the academe, okay? So I'm from the academe. So syempre mga topics natin, estudyante or from my book. This is my book. So, ayan, how to embrace transformation. Mamaya topic natin to sa yung vlog natin, how to write your book in 5 weeks lang. Okay? So, ito yung laman ng mga topics ko. What is transformation? Mga ganyan. Wala mo nanonood. Alright? So I launched 5 topics. Investment, bigasan, tawag dito, maliit na negosyo, sari-sari store. Okay? So, mag-launch ka ng mga 5 topics na may na-interview ka naman na nandyan lang din sa paligid mo. And try to see alin doon sa 5 topics na yon yung nagkaroon ng highest view. And that's it. Boom. Okay? So, yun na. Alright? So, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, wow, business. Okay? Sari-sari store ng kapatid ko. Bigasan. So, lahat. So, it's all about business. So, ang kailangan pala ng mga subscribers ko, ng mga tao sa paligid ko that I need to, okay, to provide about business. So, yun na. Alright? Business and investment. Alright? So, try to see anong 5 topics yung pwede mo gawin. And try to see, you have to analyze your YouTube also. So, i-analyze mo lang sa gabi, tinan mo. So, ito yung marami na views. Ito, konti ang views. English. O, huwag na tayo mag-English. So, about transformation, konti yung nanood. Compare ko na lang noon, nung time na yun, bigasan versus embracing transformation. Parang ganito, si embracing transformation, mga 10. Okay, si bigasan, mga 500, mga gano'n. So, ganun yung gap. So, syempre, saan pa ako pupunta? E din doon sa marami na ngailangan ng bigasan kaysa sa konti na ngailangan ng transformation. Alright? So that's the second. Launch at least 5 topics. Or 3 lang. Or 3 topics. It depends sa time mo. Kung meron kang time. Okay? Then number 3 is, yun. So, check. Yun na, sinabi ko, the highest views. Alright? So, focus on that. So, doon ka na mag-focus. Doon sa highest. Alright? Doon ka na sa pinakamataas. Okay? And number 4, bring na natin, I'm sure, nakopya nyo na yan, Number 4 po is, yan, so, be consistent. Okay, so alam nyo, this is what I like about myself. I love myself. I love myself talaga. Kasi pag meron akong sinimulan talaga, tatapusin ko yan. At hindi pa siya pwedeng di magtagumpay. Nilalagay ko talaga yung puso ko sa lahat. When I wrote my book, kaya nga gagawa ko ng vlog How to Write It in 5 Weeks. 5 weeks, nasulat ko yung book ko. Nag-venture ako sa business. Nag-speaker ako, coach, consultant. Basta pag gusto ko siya, nagaganap siya. Okay? Kasi yung puso ko nandun. Yung isip ko nandoon siya. I'm consistent. Consistent to the dream, consistent to the goal. So, I'm very consistent. Imagine my life as a full-time principal, Dean of Academic Affairs and Dean of College of Education. Then, speaker pa ako that time, nung nagsisimula ako. At napakadami nung nag-invite sa akin. That was the time na, as in talagang, ang dami kumukontak sa atin. Paggawa pa lang ng mga presentations ko, magaw na ng time. Then, nagkakaroon pa ako doon. Sumabay pa yung ano noon, online consultation. So, sabay-sabay sila nagaganap. Pero, I manage it. Very consistent. Just be consistent. So, nag-post ako noon ng mga 1 or 2 vlogs a day. Then, hindi ako pumalya. Siguro pumalya lang ako for 3 years po. 3 years nang hindi ko pagkakaroon ng nag-upload. Yeah, I think nung na-operahan ako, may 2 days ata. Pero mostly, kahit na nagta-travel ako, meron na ako naka-save na, na vlog. Tapos, i-upload na, ipapublish na lang ng assistant ko. Something like that. So, you have to be consistent. If you want to get the 1,000 subscribers, be consistent. Hindi siya, naisip mo lang, kailan mo lang siya maiisip, doon ka mag-vlog. Hindi, kasi may naghihintay ka ng clients Para siyang business. Sabi ko nga in my first few vlogs, sabi ko, ang YouTube ko sa akin, for me, it's a business. So, if it's a business, it requires your time, your energy, your planning. Right? So, be consistent. Okay, and number 5, yan. Number 5 is, yun, sinabi ko na kanina, I considered it as my work or job. Isa siyang trabaho. Isa siyang additional source of income. Of course, YouTube is paying me. Pero para sa akin, like ngayon, quarantine, isa sa mga pinagkakabalan ko talaga is my YouTube channel. So, kahit gaano ako ka-busy, meron akong isang inaasikaso, and that's my channel. Hindi ko talaga siya pinapabayaan, okay? So, busy ka sa work mo, busy ka sa maraming bagay, don't forget your YouTube channel. May channel ka, may sinimulan ka, meron kang mga subscribers na pinapasok. Ngayon, i-entertain mo sila, para silang nasa bahay mo, bisita mo sila ngayon, pinapasok mo, in-invite mo silang mag-subscribe sa channel mo. Ngayon, pangatawanan mo na yon, you provide content. Okay? So, kailangan may matutunan sila, para sinabi mo, okay, enroll kayo sa akin. O, nag-enroll sila, ano ngayon gagawin mo, nawala ka, hindi pwede yun, okay? So, it's your work, it's your job, alright? And number 6, you put substance. Put substance on it. Okay, so, sabihin may makukuha yung kliyente, yung mga subscribers mo. Clients mo yan Sabi ko nga, business yan, tapos sila yung clients. I'm not into editing, I know that. So, hindi ganun kagandang, well, siyempre, in-edit naman ang assistant ko yan. Pero yung mga editing na compared to other YouTube channels, not like that. Minsan nga, unedited pa itong aking channel, di ba? Pero, binabawi ko na lang sa content. So, I do research talaga, nagbabasa tayo, nanonood tayo ng ibang channel, and, ino-organize natin na yung presentation natin, everything, yung thoughts natin. So, put substance on it. Yung mapagyari niya manood, ito, gagawin kong tip. Ito, gagawin ko. Tsaka meron challenge. Kaya marami akong mga subscribers na meron silang investment, meron silang small business, naging maayos na yung buhay nila, meron silang YouTube channel. Kasi gusto ko, pagkayari mo kung panoorin, merong nabago sa buhay mo. Or merong isang bagay, na-inspire ka ba na, I want to do this. I want to be like this. Right? Okay, so, you put substance on it, and, yan. So, number 7 is, answer questions. Answer their inquiries. Bagmat wala ako sa comment section sa baba, pero you can always message me sa aking page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. So, maabang istorya, bakit nawala yung comment section natin dyan. Pero, you can always message me sa Doc Gigi. Okay? Alright, ito page ko po, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Marami naman sa inyo. Actually, sa alos kayo, nag-message naman sa akin. Sa number ko, sumasagot naman po ako. Tama po ba, no? Okay, alright, so you answered their questions. Then, pilitin mo hanapin yung gusto nila. Alam mo kaya ako napunta sa mga food cart, franchising, mga balutan. Kasi tanong yan eh. Naalala ko noon, sa hinanap ko, di talaga ako nakakali hanggang di ko siya hinanap. PisoNet. So, may nagtanong sa akin, PisoNet, nagpunta akong Tapulaw, nagpunta akong Nilulpihan, para maghanap talaga ng computer shop na may yung PisoNet. Something like that. So, you have to do that, okay? Alright, so that's how to get your 1,000 subscriber in 6 months. It's not hard, okay? It's not hard. If you just have time, your heart for it, it's not hard. Okay, so magpa-part 2 tayo mamaya how to maintain. Okay? How to maintain your 160,000 subscribers. Diyan ako nahirapan. Imagine yun, parang sabi ko nga, ano bang pwede ko sabihin sa mga subscribers ko? For 3 years, 2 times a day, nagvo-vlog ako, ano bang content yung di nila narinig? Alright? So, that's why, alam nyo ngayon, nanonood ako ng mga movies, Netflix, nanonood ako ng ano, para makakuha ko ng idea, new words, I read a lot. I talk to different types of people. I venture into different businesses. Alam niyo, one of the reasons ba't ako naglo-launch ng ganito, like my overrun, my t-shirt printing, everything, I registered my business para ma-experience ko kung paano so that I can share it sa inyo. Yun po talaga yung isa sa mga dahilan. And now, I'm doing something different. Bas para meron akong ma-share sa inyo na kakaiba. I myself is the content, okay, na sinishare ko sa inyo, alright? Okay, so sa lahat ng gusto pang magpa-coach, Doc, tulungan mo pa ako. I want to have my YouTube channel or I want to improve my YouTube channel. I want to advertise my YouTube channel. Message lang po kayo, okay? Buti nga po kayo, may malalapitan, Doc G, na pwede ipa-advertise yung YouTube channel. Wala talaga akong ganun. Zero. It's lahat yung growth ko is organically. Okay? Alright, so please share this video. By the way, lahat po pala ng mga gusto ng e-course natin, how to start your scalable business, available na po siya. Okay? So please share this video sa lahat may bigyan natin, kahit OFW, dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago, tumulad natin buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go.